Hello everyone. I hope you have seen my previous videos on the MATLAB activities for class 9. So this is another important activity related to the midpoint theorem. So let us see what exactly is to be done. The aim of the activity is to verify that in a triangle, line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it by paper folding and pasting. What is the pre-acquired knowledge for the activity? We need to know about the concept of angles, triangles, parallel lines, and midpoints. We need to know about the concept of corresponding angles and about the concept of congruent triangles. So let us see what all is required. We'll be needing the origami sheets or the colored sheets, the fevistick or any other adhesive, the scissors, then pencil, ruler, pencil box. So let us see how do we do the activity.
I've taken two triangles, identical triangles I've taken, and I just mark them as A, B, and C. Now, after marking them A, B, and C, I just simply fold them and join the vertices so that I can get the midpoint. So I just make a crease and I get the midpoint of, let's say this is A, B. So this is the midpoint of AB. Then I join A and C, and I get the midpoint of AC. So this is point D and this is point E. I join DE. After that, I again just try to find out the midpoint of the base. So this is the midpoint of the base. I'll paste this triangle and I mark the vertices. So this is the triangle ABC that was drawn, and D, E and F are the midpoints of the sides AB, AC and BC respectively. I have joined DE. Now I will cut this triangle ABC along the length DE. So I have separated out triangle ADE from the bigger triangle ABC. Now I have cut out an identical triangle exactly equal to triangle ADE. You can see that they are completely overlapping each other. So actually we need three blue triangles, identical ones. Now I'm just checking whether it is completely overlapping it here also for this triangle also or not. So you can see it is completely covering the triangle ADE. Now I will take up this triangle and paste it as shown in the figure 3. Now I paste this cutout of the triangle ADE on the triangle ABE as shown in figure 3, such that AE coincides with EC and ED lies on CB and the point D coincides with point F. Now let me show it to you. So E is coinciding with C and the point D is coinciding with the point F. Now angle AED is completely coinciding with the angle ACB. That means these two angles are equal. If these two angles are equal, means the corresponding angles are equal. And I know that the corresponding angles are equal only when the lines are parallel. So the line DE becomes parallel to the line BC. So I have proved the first part, that the line joining the midpoints is parallel to the third side. Now F is the midpoint of BC. We done it by paper folding. So I get BF equal to FC equal to half of BC. Now DE is coinciding with FC. That means D is equal to FC, and FC was what? FC was half of BC. So I get DE is equal to half of BC also. So DE is equal to half of BC and DE is parallel to BC, which was enough to prove that the line joining the midpoint of two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. Let us see the pasting work now.
So the first figure is that I take up the triangle ABC. I fold it along this line AB such that B vertex coincides with vertex C so that I get the midpoint D of the side AB. I repeat the same step with the side AC to get the midpoint E at the crease. Then I find out the midpoint F by paper folding. Finally, I join DE to get the figure 1. Then this figure 2 need not be pasted in your notebooks. This is just to show you all what exactly is to be done. So I just cut it along DE. I make the triangle ADE. One way is that I can just paste the same triangle here. The exact better way is going to be that I just take it out and I trace it out on another colored sheet, and that sheet I am pasting it out here. Now see the third figure. I take up this triangle ADE, which was in a different color, and I paste it here such that DE coincides with FC. So let us see the observations. We observe that ADE triangle, I just pasted it over triangle EFC, and I got that it completely covers triangle ADE is completely covering triangle EFC, which shows that triangle ADE is congruent to triangle EFC. This also shows that angle AED is equal to angle ACB. But these are what kind of angles? These are the corresponding angles. And since the corresponding angles are equal, so I can say that DE is parallel to BC. So I have proved the first part of the theorem, that line joining the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. I have got DE is coming parallel to BC. Also, since DE coincides with FC, and FC was what? F was the midpoint, so FC was equal to half of BC. So that means DE is equal to half of BC. So this is also proved. So let us see the conclusion now. From this activity, we conclude that in a triangle, line joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. So this was the midpoint theorem. I have proved that. I hope this activity is clear to you. Thank you so much.